Here we have an absolute value function graphed, and we're going to try and write it in the general form of an absolute value function. So we need to have a look, and we need to identify the vertex here, which is always our h and our k. So if we have a look, we can see that the x value is 2 and the y value is negative 3. So our vertex is at 2 and negative 3. Now our x value always corresponds to our h, and our y value is our k. So let's write that in. Y equals, we don't know a yet, so I'm going to leave it blank. I'm going to put x minus 2 and then minus 3. It's always minus h. So whatever your value of x is, over here it's positive 2, the sign in front of it is always going to be the opposite. So we've identified the vertex. Now let us look at the slope, which is represented by this a here. Okay, this is our slope. So have a looking at our graph, we can see we go up 1 and across 1, up 1 and across 1, up 1 and across 1. So our slope is going to just be 1, which we can leave there if we like, or we don't need it at all. So this absolute value function is simply y equals the absolute value of x minus 2 minus 3. Here we have another one. So again, first we need to identify our vertex. So that's here. And the x value is 0 and y is negative 1. And remember, our equation is y equals a absolute value x minus h plus k. So we need to put our x and our y in. Remember, this is x, which is our h value, and this is our y, which is our k value. So we end up with a, we don't know a yet, then it's x, we don't have to put anything in there because it's 0, and plus k, so minus 1. Let us now look at our slope, so we can draw a triangle at any point. Remember, we always go on the right hand side, the left is just the mirror image, and we can see we go across 1 or run 1, and we go down 1. Run 1, down 1, run 1, down 1. So our slope is negative 1. Now we don't have to have the 1 there, but we must have the negative. So our overall function or equation for the function is negative absolute value x minus 1.